In this video, I will tell you how to uninstall any app from Microsoft download or PC download. So any programs, how to uninstall. So first you go to window key press and control panel search bar type and control panel open. This is a control panel. If you this type window not showing, so category select you. After that go to uninstall program, choose you according which uninstall, so any choose you. Okay, then right click here and uninstall, and then yes, choose and uninstall permanently your program. If this is first way, if you not showing your app Microsoft from download, so again window key press search bar type. I like WhatsApp delete not showing program control panel, so type here WhatsApp. This is a WhatsApp icon, and this here uninstalls showing. If you not showing here, so click WhatsApp icon and right click, then uninstall re again your WhatsApp permanently uninstall your then PC.